Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Martin here. In today's video we're going to be reviewing the Woodchuck Timberjack. The Woodchuck Timberjack is made in the USA and comes with a lifetime warranty. It's 4 feet long. The handle is made out of 6061 aluminum, and it has these 2 feet that come with it that I'll show you how to put on here in a second, and the hook to hook the log with. They say you can use this to hook anywhere between a 5 and a 20-inch log, and I'll show you how to put it together, and then we'll go down in the woods and we'll roll a couple logs, and I'll buck the logs and give you an idea of what I think about this. You're going to need 2 9/16 wrenches. First thing I'm going to do is put the forward foot on, and then I'll put the back one on. They say here on the directions to put the larger foot on this end and then the smaller foot here. And this is the position you want it in. You don't want it this way, obviously. If you left it that way, it would be digging into the dirt. This way it'll just roll up on it. Plus it has these square holes here that fit into the heads of the bolts. So let's just take these off. It's cold out. It's 32 degrees in here right now. Probably not as bad as it is some places in the country, but it's a little chilly here. We've had an ice storm in the last couple days here in Maryland, and the ice is finally coming off the trees as we speak. I may have a random noise of ice coming off the cupola on the barn here. I want to make sure this is relatively free flowing so it doesn't get bound up and you're constantly trying to push it down. Okay, that should do it. Now we'll take it down in the Ranger and we'll cut a log and roll it up on there and see how it does. So come along with me. As you can see, I took it down in the woods and cut about a 7-inch log and then another 14 or 15-inch log. And using this woodchuck tool, it did the job. Pretty strong. The design proved to be capable. The good thing about this, with the 2 feet, this foot keeps the handle from digging into the dirt, as well as your hand. So it keeps it up off the ground, as you can see here. If you're interested in one of these, I'll leave the link down below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, hit the like button, and tell all your friends.